This week on Sons of Thunder Outdoors.
Hey, you guys.
My best friend Ben Smith flies in from Denver for the opening week of duck season, and we head down to Stuttgart, Arkansas for the World Championship Duck Calling Contest. Well, it's the Saturday after Thanksgiving. That means it's time for Max Prairie Wings Fall Fest and also the World Championship Duck Calling Contest right here in Stuttgart, Arkansas. You might be able to tell it's pretty overcast and windy today. We're expecting a little bit of rain, but I know that's not going to dampen my mood. It's one of my favorite days of the year. I'm looking forward to a great contest, lots of great callers. Wishing everybody good luck. I'm going to hand it on over to Marty Simpson, and he's going to tell you a little bit about what's going on this weekend.
All right, hey everybody, I'm Marty Simpson from the World Championship Duck Calling Contest right here in Stuttgart, Arkansas. I'm the Rules Committee Chairman and been working with this event for the last 25 years or so. This weekend so far on Friday we've had, and Saturday we've had the Junior World Championship, the Junior Women's Championship, the Women's World Championship, Intermediate World Championship. We've also had a scholarship fund winner of $2,000 from the Chick and Sophie Major Memorial Contest. We're just minutes away from getting kicked off on the 76 World Championship. We have 65 contestants in that contest this afternoon, and while y'all are there, everybody just start praying that it does not start pouring down rain, because everybody's worried about the rain happening this afternoon. We got a good crowd out here, a great crowd out here, and one of the things that makes this so special to me throughout all the years is because my dad was a guide for 56 years, and I just want to try to carry on this tradition as much as I can in any way possible. My daughter, my son come help me some during this contest, and that's kind of special to me. But I've got another second family out here. Rick Dunn is standing right behind you. All of these callers that come from across the country here to blow in this contest, I've got friendships built up with a lot of them, and just have a good time, and I can't wait to see them every year, as well as the sanction and regional and state contests throughout the country. So y'all have a good time. If you're not here this year, make sure you come next time. Thank you very much.
You might remember our young friend Madison Heflin from an earlier episode of Sons of Thunder. This was her first year competing in the Women's World Championship.
This is live.
Madison, she was 5 points ahead after the first round, and she was 3 points ahead. Now after the third round, she had a small mistake. I don't know if she's going to win it or not. Allison was blowing pretty good. Madison messed up a little bit. I'm kind of nervous, just a little bit. Come on.
Women's World Championship, third runner-up, Priscilla Bates. Second runner-up, Lauren Engelkus. I'm sorry. I even asked backstage. First runner-up, Allison Stone. And the champion, Allison Nicklin.
Amazing!
Robbie, you take a picture of me.
Good job, baby.
Scoot in a little bit. There you go.
Look right here. Look right here. Oh my God.
You want my signature?
Can we hug him now?
Yeah.
Can we go?
Yes, sir, you can.
Hey, Mom. Mother.
Y'all look here.
Where's Mr. Rick?
I want one with me.
Come here.
Yeah, get your
Come
baby
here.
here, Mr. Rick.
I love you.
Oh, man. Somebody's going to have to hold this with her.
I'm real proud. Okay, I'll help hold
That thing is heavy. Yeah. Congratulations again, honey. That is so wonderful.
Y'all smile.
Oh, so good.
Steve, get in there with your with. Yes, get your
I had no idea.
That's the best way. Turn around there.
We're on the stage right now.
That's what you wanted, little sister, right there, baby. Okay.
Man, it was back there was crazy. I didn't know what to think. I thought I was either gonna lose or get eliminated. I didn't know what was gonna happen. It scared me.
Well, how does it feel to be a 2011 Women's World Champion?
Awesome. Big thanks to Mr. Rick Dunn with Echo Calls. And a lot of thanks to my parents, driving me and helping me out, and just everything's great. I'm excited.
How long have you been doing this?
Since May. This competition calling, but duck calling all my life.
Well, unfortunately, Mr. Marty, the rain didn't hold off. It rained from the beginning of the Men's World Championship all the way until the winner was announced. But here's our very own Sons of Thunder Outdoors Pro Staff member Tyler Bashirs, who qualified for his first World Championship. Tyler did a great job, had a small little mess up in his first round, but I know he enjoyed the experience.
Call 32.
hard to film. The conditions were wet and nasty. I filmed some of our friends during the competition, and I also filmed the winner, so stay tuned.
Thank everybody first for staying out in this weather. This has just been the greatest weather we've had here at the finals. We thank you so much for sticking with us this entire time, and you guys deserve a big round of applause. So congratulate yourselves. Thanks so much for hanging out with us all day long. Also, I want to remind you again, tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock, we got a church service right here from the stage of the duck calling contest. Starts at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Hank Huff will be out here with his dogs. It's going to be a great time. So come on out after your duck hunt. Now, let's call all our contestants back out onto the stage where they can stand up front in the rain just like you have done for the past 6 hours. Come on, guys.
Come on.
Big two!
Oh, come on, in the rain. In the rain. Yep, in the rain.
Carrying this tripod with me on stage.
Let's have a big hearty round of applause for our finalists here tonight. Our Queen Mallard, Samantha Spicer, is going to help us out here by awarding these awards, these honors, these trophies, and the cash money.
That's cool.
So let's start, ladies and gentlemen, with our 10th runner-up in the 76th Annual World's Championship Duck Calling Contest. And your 10th runner-up from Moscow Mills, Missouri, Jason Matheny. And after we get the, well, they know, you get the award, just line up right next to him. All right, your 9th runner-up from Conway, Arkansas, David St. John.
Look up.
Your 8th runner-up from Memphis, Tennessee, Slayton Guerin.
Sorry.
Your 7th runner-up from Madison, Alabama, Mike Smith. And Mike, just go on down the lineup. Mike, yeah, go down to the end, line up right next to Slayton. All right, your 6th runner-up from Searcy, Arkansas, Tyler Merritt. Your 5th runner-up from New Iberia, Louisiana, Phil Green. I tell you, Phil was working it. I mean, every time he walked out of that box right there, he was breathing, baby. He was going at it. So congratulations, Phil. Your 4th runner-up from Millington, Missouri, Trevor Shanahan.
I didn't know they had one in there. Maryland.
Oh, it says M-O, but it's Maryland. All right. Millington, Maryland. All right, 3rd runner-up from Grain Valley, Missouri, Dusty Banner.
Go, Dusty! Go!
Which means we are down to our top 3, ladies and gentlemen. Your 2nd runner-up from Judsonia, Arkansas, Brad Allen.
No way.
That means our top 2 duck callers this year, Antonio Jones of Whitehall and Robbie Iverson of Ottawa, Illinois. It comes down to these 2.
Duckman down!
First place receives an $8,000 check from the Chamber of Commerce and a lot of other prizes. Your first runner-up. From Ottawa, Illinois, Robbie Iverson, your winner! From Whitehall, Arkansas, Antonio Jones! Your world champion duck caller for the 76th World Championship Duck Calling Contest. Ladies and gentlemen, from Whitehall, Arkansas, Antonio Jones. Big round of applause.
Good morning. Wednesday morning, day before Thanksgiving. Central Arkansas duck hunting here with Sons of Thunder Productions. Gonna try and smack some this morning for you. Try and get some good footage. Andrew Duncan, professional hunter, cameraman, caller extraordinaire. To my right, Benjamin A. Smith, sniper rifle extraordinaire, on camera. It's gonna be a good day. Look forward to showing you guys some footage.
Here they come.
Now hit him.
Four more up top. Where'd they go?
Don't watch him.
Gee, mister, you're even hungrier than I was. Baby Roof. Slot love chunk.
Oh my God. Jeez, mister.
Mommy's been bad.
I just always forgot about that movie.
You can definitely tell we're between flights of ducks right now. But we're having a good time. We're just hoping some of these clouds push out of here.
There you guys.
Here they come. Here they come. Here. Somebody caught it. We're the ones that look. Where'd the ones that landed go? Right there in front of you, Doug. There's one on the water. Be ready to blast that if
Get him, Ben.
Just let him have it.
We'll wait and see what the other ones are at.
You got some back there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
He's not gonna swim far.
I was gonna try and help Debbie back to feed.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think the rest of them will turn right back around?
Yeah, he landed.
I only need one of them in here right and we'll kill him.
That was a good group.
Well, Smitty, how we do?
Well, Bubba, I've seen better and I've seen worse, but I ain't gonna complain about it. We smacked about 15, 16, somewhere in there. Pretty good morning. Weatherman is full of John Denver. The weatherman's psychotic. He said it was supposed to clear up, and as you can see, it's still cloudy. The sun didn't break through once. But had a good time with the buds. You can't beat vacation, so hopefully some of this footage turned out all right.